My colleague in the Council of Ministers, Sri Vijay Goyal ji, Sri A.C. Mohiuddin, Sports Minister of Kerala, members of the Parliament, Sri M.K. Raghavan, our elder leader, Sri Rajgopalan ji, P.T. Usha ji, dignitaries on the dais, नमस्कारम येंडे सहोदरी सहोदर नमारे ई चडंगले पंगैडे कन्नुदिल न्यान अदीव संतुष्टनम संतोषवानमान Congrats to all sports lovers on the inauguration of the synthetic track in USA School of Athletics. This track is an important landmark in the development of USA School and will provide modern facilities to the trainees. I take this opportunity to acknowledge the contribution of our own Payoli Express, Udan Pari and Golden Girl of India, P.T. Usha ji, for the development of this school. P.T. Usha has been a shining light of sports in India. She endured several challenges in life and went on to enter Olympics final, missing a medal only by a whisker. In the history of Indian athletics, very few have achieved a track record like hers. Usha ji, the nation is proud of you. What is even better is that Usha ji has continued her association with sports. Her personal attention and focus approach have started bringing about good results, and now her trainees like Miss Tintu Luka and Miss Jinsa Matthew have already made their mark at the international level. Like Usha ji, Uska school is making the best use of every opportunity by utilizing simple and limited resources. I take this opportunity to also congratulate the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Sports Authority of India, and the CPWD for having completed this project, which suffered various hurdles resulting in delays. But then, better late than never. One of the topmost priorities of our government is speedy implementation and completion of projects in the designated time. In fact, the project was sanctioned in 2011, but the work order for the synthetic track was awarded only in 2015. I have been informed that this track is full PUR, and this PUR track, polyurethane running, it has been designed so as to minimize the chance of injuries and is compatible with the international standards. Sports is closely linked with the human resource development of a society. I have always been of the view that in addition to keeping the body healthy, sports always transforms the personality, bringing about holistic development. In its instills discipline and ethos of hard work. It provides learning for life which enrich our thought process. The sports field is a great teacher. One of the best things one learns on the sports field is equanimity, to face victory and defeat as a part of life. We learn to be humble in victory and at the same time not to be bogged down by defeat.